Welcome to a realm where craftsmanship meets creativity, where each piece of furniture and decor tells a unique story. At the heart of our collection lies a deep appreciation for the natural beauty of wood, transformed into stunning works of art that elevate any space. We believe that furniture should do more than just serve a purpose. It should resonate with the spirit of the home and reflect the individuality of its inhabitants. Our carefully curated selection is designed to inspire, inviting you to explore the endless possibilities that wood can bring to your living environment. As you journey through our offerings, you'll discover a diverse range of styles, from timeless classics to modern innovations. Each item is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that quality and sustainability are not just an afterthought, but a foundational principle. We are passionate about creating pieces that not only enhance your home, but also foster a connection to nature and a sense of harmony within your surroundings. Join us in celebrating the art of woodworking, where every grain tells a story and every design sparks creativity. Your perfect piece awaits. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty and craftsmanship of our wood furniture and decor collection. If you're enjoying what you see, we invite you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest designs, tips, and inspirations. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who appreciate unique, handcrafted pieces that make a statement in any home. We encourage you to stay with us until the end, as we have some exciting insights and special offers to share that you won't want to miss. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our community. Natural Harmony. Imagine a captivating line of furniture and decor pieces that celebrate the organic beauty of wood in its most authentic form. Each item would embrace the unique grain patterns, knots, and textures, creating an inviting atmosphere filled with warmth. From sleek, modern designs to rustic, artisanal styles, the collection could cater to various tastes, making it perfect for anyone seeking a connection to nature within their living spaces. The focus on natural aesthetics would not only enhance the beauty of homes, but also promote a sense of tranquility, encouraging customers to create serene environments that reflect their appreciation for the natural world. Sustainable elegance. Envision a stunning collection that prioritizes eco-friendly practices and sustainability, utilizing reclaimed materials and responsibly sourced wood. Each piece would tell a story of renewal and innovation, showcasing how beautiful design can coexist harmoniously with environmental responsibility. This commitment to sustainability would resonate with eco-conscious consumers, appealing to those who desire stylish furnishings without compromising their values. By blending elegance with an environmentally friendly approach, these items would become not just functional pieces, but also symbols of a lifestyle that respects and nurtures the planet. Artisan craftsmanship. Picture a brand that champions the art of handmade quality, where each piece is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. By highlighting the skill and dedication that goes into creating these wooden items, customers are drawn to the authenticity and uniqueness that mass-produced items lack. This focus on artisan craftsmanship creates a strong narrative around each product, positioning them as timeless investments rather than mere commodities. Collectors and enthusiasts alike would appreciate the story behind each piece, fostering a deeper connection between the consumer and the craftsmanship that brings their furniture and decor to life. Versatile living solutions. Consider a range of furniture designed with versatility in mind, perfect for modern living spaces that require adaptability. Each piece could effortlessly transition from one use to another, catering to the needs of urban dwellers, families, and anyone looking to maximize their space. By prioritizing functionality alongside aesthetic appeal, these items would offer practical solutions without compromising on style. This adaptability would resonate with consumers seeking innovative designs that fit their evolving lifestyles, making the collection a go-to choice for those who appreciate smart, stylish living. Cultural inspirations. Imagine a series of pieces that draw inspiration from diverse cultures around the globe, each reflecting the unique design elements and artistic traditions of its origin. By incorporating these rich cultural influences, the collection would create a global aesthetic that appeals to customers who desire a touch of worldly sophistication in their homes. These items would not only serve as functional decor, but also as conversation starters, inviting stories and connections to different cultures. This approach would attract a wide audience, from avid travelers to those with a passion for cultural exploration. Nature-inspired accents. Picture a range of decor items that reflect the enchanting beauty of the natural world, incorporating organic shapes, earthy colors, and elements reminiscent of landscapes. Each piece would add a touch of serenity and calm to any space, creating an environment that fosters relaxation and mindfulness. These nature-inspired accents would resonate with customers looking to create tranquil retreats within their homes, making them ideal for those who appreciate the restorative power of nature. By bringing the outdoors inside, these items would help cultivate a deeper connection to the environment. Timeless classics. Envision a collection that reinterprets classic design elements with a contemporary twist, blending the elegance of history with modern sensibilities. By creating pieces that honor traditional forms while incorporating fresh finishes and innovative materials, this collection would appeal to those who appreciate the beauty of timeless design. The enduring quality would make these items suitable for a variety of settings, ensuring they remain relevant regardless of shifting trends. This blend of old and new would attract discerning customers who value both heritage and innovation in their furnishings. Dynamic textures. Consider a collection that plays with a variety of textures and finishes, allowing customers to engage with their furniture and decor on a tactile level. By combining smooth surfaces with rough, natural finishes, each piece would create visual interest and invite interaction, enhancing the overall sensory experience of a space. This focus on dynamic textures would appeal to consumers who seek not only beautiful designs, but also an engaging physical presence in their homes. By encouraging exploration and touch, these items would become cherished focal points in any room. Seasonal inspirations. Picture a range of decor pieces that change with the seasons, allowing customers to refresh their spaces throughout the year. By offering items that evoke the essence of each season, whether it's vibrant colors for spring or warm tones for autumn, these products would encourage continual engagement and provide a dynamic way to keep interiors feeling fresh. This seasonal approach would resonate with customers who enjoy decorating their homes to reflect the changing times, creating a sense of excitement and anticipation as they curate their environments. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and joy in exploring our wood furniture and decor collection. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates and creative ideas. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who might appreciate the beauty of handcrafted pieces. Your support helps us grow and continue sharing our passion for design with you. We appreciate you being part of our journey.